Good morning, student. In this video lecture, we are going to describe about the chapter adjective. Students, I think now you are capable to find out noun and pronoun, and you are very well acquainted with the kinds of noun and pronoun. So, the third unit of parts of speech is adjective. But before going through adjective, you should be sure that you are capable to find out noun and pronoun, because your definition or your topic adjective is related with noun and pronoun. ये स्टेप होता है एंड स्टेप बाय स्टेप आप इसको फाइंड आउट करना, उसको उसके टाइप्स को समझना आपके लिए कंपलसरी होता है. सो first of all, we will discuss a little bit about noun and pronoun. Then we will come to our topic adjective. Students, as you are little stars, so I think that many times I have go through repetition of your noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, etc. Then you will be able to find out, to chart out, to go through the topic, your parts of speech, noun, pronoun, etc. So, noun, name of person, place or thing. So, keep in your mind names, whatever name of a person, name of place, name of thing. So, you have to keep in your mind whenever we are going to describe any name, that one is noun. किसी का भी noun, person, place, thing, animal, each and everything, whatever in the universe, and we are going to identify the thing, person or place with the name, that name is noun. कहीं पर भी कुछ भी है, अगर हम उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं उसके नाम से, इट मीन्स दैट नेम इज नाउन. नाउ द सब्स्टिट्यूट वर्ड्स आर प्रोनाउन. Substitute, it is very easy to go and chart out pronoun, because there are certain pronoun, I, you, we, he, she, it, they, and who, one. They are some certain pronouns, so that you have in your mind. So first of all, keep your clear definition of noun and pronoun. Now let us go through the chapter adjective. Okay. What is definition of adjective? What is adjective? Adjective are actually describing words. They are qualifying words and they qualify any noun or pronoun. What is the definition of adjective? Adjective is a word that qualifies any noun or pronoun. How it qualifies, how it describes noun and pronoun? It describes in different way. It describes about his quality, about his number, about his types, है ना. बहुत तरीके से वो उस नेम यानी पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग के बारे में डिस्क्राइब है. सो स्टूडेंट, व्हाट्स आर एडजेक्टिव? एडजेक्टिव्स आर डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स दैट टेक place, mostly they take place before noun. In some circumstances they are used after verb, and generally we use adjective before noun, because they are going to describe about noun. वो noun के बारे में बात बताते हैं. This is the reason we put these describing words before noun and pronoun. Okay? Just like they tell married, demarried, quality and quantity, number. The words that tell quality, मैरिड, डिमेरिड, मतलब अच्छाई भी और बुराई भी. मैरिड, डिमेरिड, क्वालिटी, क्वांटिटी, हाउ मच क्वांटिटी, नंबर. All these words they describe about any noun or pronoun. That's why they are called adjective. There are some very fine examples that is given in your book. With the help of the chart, we will come to know and about describing words given in your exercise on page 39. Some nouns are given in the chart, just like vegetable. This is the name of a thing, vegetable, sabzi ka naam vegetable. How we are going to put adjective before noun? Fresh vegetable, na? Fresh vegetable, taजी सब्जियां, fresh. So what is fresh? Fresh is fresh. The word fresh is adjective. Flour, fast, fresh flour, chocolate, delicious chocolates, red apples, na? Cups, small cups, bread, na? Fresh bread, yeah, a lot of bread, a loaf of bread, pasta, delicious pasta, bananas, 1 dozen bananas or 2 bananas, whatever. Next is given bulb, you can describe it, 2 bulbs. Okay, so next one is sugar, a little sugar, eggs, fresh eggs, 2 eggs. So all these words which you put before noun, before vegetable, before flour, before chocolate, before apples, before cup, before bread, pasta, banana and bulbs, they describe about the quality, about the quantity and about the number of any noun that can be expressed in the name of person, in the name of place. Just like beautiful building, so building is the name, इमारत का नाम है building, and how it looks very beautiful. So beautiful क्या? Beautiful is the word adjective because it describes about the building. Beautiful is a word adjective because it describes the building. So student, these are the examples. With the help of these examples, you can understand about definition of adjective very well. That adjective is a word that qualifies, that describes, that qualifies any noun or pronoun. How it describes? It describes its merit, it describes its demerit, it can describe about its quality and about its quantity or number. So student, this is the definition of adjective. Whenever you are going to find out your adjective, first of all find out noun and pronoun. So the word that is placed before noun or pronoun, they are describing word, they are adjective. Now next topic is kinds of adjectives. There are total 10 types of adjective, but as far as your syllabus is concerned, there are only 6 adjectives are given in your syllabus. So we will describe about 10, but in detail we will go through only 6. First one is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity. Next one, demonstrative adjective, adjective of number, possessive adjective, interrogative adjective, distributive adjective, emphasizing adjective, proper adjective, and finally exclamatory adjective. We will explain all these adjectives one by one, and after describing, we will solve the exercise based on the particular kinds of adjective. Okay. So first one is adjective of quality. Quality, योग्यता, गुण, अच्छाई. ठीक है. जैसे he is a smart boy, you are a smart boy. So what is smart? Smart is a adjective of quality because it describes about the goodness of a boy. It is just for the examples given in your book are just like Mumbai is a large city. So how is Mumbai? Mumbai is large city. So what the word large that is placed before the word noun city. It describes the Mumbai city. How it describes its large city. So word large is describing word and it describes about the city which is a noun. So student, this is adjective of quality. Next one, Suresh is a smart boy. You are a handsome boy. And what is the word handsome and smart? They describe about any person, about a boy. That's why these describing words comes under the category of adjective of quality. Next example given in your book is the kangaroo is a wild animal. Kangaroo is a wild animal. So what the word wild shows? It shows the quality of animal. Wild, what the word wild shows? It shows quality of animal. And as you can see that Taj is a very beautiful building. Taj is a beautiful building. So what is Taj? Taj is the name of building, and the word beautiful describes about building. Building, the word is noun. So these types of word that describes the quality of a person, the quality of a place, the quality of a thing. All these describing words which describes quality of person, quality of place, quality of thing, they are called adjective of quality. I think now you are able to find out the word even in your exercise that is given in page 41. You have to underline the exercise. You have to find out exercise, shout out adjective, and you have to underline adjective given in the exercise. Now next, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quality, actually adjective of quality tells us what kind of, किस किस्म का, what kind of. And as far as adjective of quantity is concerned, it describes, yeah, it tells us how much of, वो किस क्वालिटी डिस्क्राइब करती, किस प्रकार का, है ना, छोटा बड़ा अच्छा बुरा और जंगली या बहुत खूबसूरत. और एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी क्या डिस्क्राइब करते हैं? इट टेल्स अस हाउ मच ऑफ, कितना, अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. इट इज प्लेस बिफोर अनकाउंटेबल नाउन ना, क्वांटिटी मात्रा दैट कैन नॉट बी काउंटेड. जस्ट लाइक अ लिटिल शुगर, you know, you can't count sugar, you can't count hair, you can't count milk, है ना, ऑयल. सो द अनकाउंटेबल नाउन के पहले जो वर्ड प्लेस लेते हैं एडजेक्टिव के रूप में डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. ओके, जस्ट लाइक एग्जांपल, मान्या वांटेड सम कैंडीज, क्वांटिटी हाउ मच ऑफ, कितनी, सम कैंडीज, not counted, not countable. Priya added a little sugar to her cup of coffee. A little sugar, how much of, कितनी, a little, थोड़ी सी. That cannot be, you know, sugar cannot be counted. There is enough milk in the fridge. Enough milk, you know, milk cannot be counted. It is uncountable now. Milk, sugar, oil, they are uncountable now. So whenever we are going to put the word before uncountable noun and they describe something about noun, they are called adjective of quantity. A little, of, few, much, some, enough, all, no, none. These are the words that are used before uncountable noun and they are put under the category of adjective of quantity. Okay student, now next one is demonstrative adjective. You know the word meaning of demonstrative? To show off, to point out. Okay, so the what type demonstrative adjective, what they describe, they point out to the people, they point out to the things, they point out to the person. Just like this cup is rather expensive. This cup, now cup is noun and this word take place before noun, so this is adjective. नाउन के पहले आया तो एडजेक्टिव है, बट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एडजेक्टिव, बिकॉज इट इज गोइंग टू पॉइंट आउट दिस कप, ये वाला दिस कप. सो द वर्ड दिस इज यूज्ड एज एन डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. ना, दैट शॉप वाज ब्रोकन इनटू लास्ट नाइट. विच शॉप, है ना, कौन सी शॉप के लिए पॉइंट आउट कर रहा है? दैट शॉप, वो वाली, दैट शॉप. सो द वर्ड दैट इज पुट बिफोर, दैट इज प्लेस्ड बिफोर द नाउन शॉप is describing word and that is going to point out about particular shop. So this word that is called demonstrative adjective. These girls have been selected to play match. You know, these is used for the plural noun and this is used for the singular noun. So the word girls are noun. The word girls is noun and the word before that is placed before noun, these, that indicate, that point out some plural noun, that is describing word placed before noun girls. So it is called demonstrative pronoun. Those buildings will be developed into hotels by the government. Those buildings noun and the word that is placed before noun, those point out about building. You know very well that those are the plural form of the that, and those building, वो वाली इमारतें, those किसकी तरफ इशारा कर रहे हैं, buildings की तरफ. So those buildings is noun, and the word those is placed before noun, and it describes how much, है ना, point out, how point out towards the building. So because of pointing out, they are called demonstrative adjective. So three types of adjective I have explained in detail before you, and I think that, I hope so that you are able to got it about to definition of adjective and about the three kinds of adjective. That is enough for today. Student, on page 41 there is an exercise. Underline the adjective in these sentences and write what kind they are. You have to underline the adjective words and you have to tell kinds of adjective. In my next video lecture, I will tell you the answer sheet and I will explain the other kinds of adjective. Till then, have a nice day.